Hello from Slovenia again. Some while ago I saw this dustpan and what is this? And I thought I would love to do some transferred split cup pour or something on the black background that I haven't mixed here. And I have alizarin violet, cardinal red, vermilion hue, and cadmium yellow lemon. So I will pour some black paint on here, and then I will do a split cup pour with 4 chambers on top here, and I will try to transfer it, and I don't know if I will tilt it or not. I will see. So first I will add my black base down and tilt it up in an even coat, and then I will put this aside and layer my split cup for the dustpan. Because maybe I will like the design and I will not want to tilt it, so that's why I want to cover my canvas nicely with the black paint. And I'm working on 12 by 16 inch canvas today. Okay, so now to this part. I tilted my canvas back into the cup to save some paint, and I scraped and cleaned a little bit here where I had some drips, and my canvas covered with black is waiting, and I will pour those 4 colors in the split cup. Just think that had less yellow. Okay. And now I will pour this here and try to, I don't know, create some . Okay, I'm done. Very interesting. Maybe I overdid it right here, but I was so mesmerized with all those cool patterns that I just went once more and once more. I definitely need more practice, but I'm happy with this one too. It's such a happy abstract piece, I think. I don't know, I like it. I will not be able to show you the dry result. Unfortunately, I had some really bad days, and I'm glad that I went to the studio and paint, and I like this painting. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!